Hello everyone, welcome back to a video. Welcome to our new house for the night. Come in everyone, come in. So, first thing I want to show you is this cute key. So you just do that, I guess, and get the key, and then lock the door. I think that worked. Okay. So first we have the dining table, perfect for 4. But if you have 2 more people, you can add these 2 chairs. We got this book. We got these books that Mummy was reading. And then we got this fake plant, I think. And then we got a heater. And then some animals. We're living by a farm, so it might stink outside in the back garden. Okay, follow me. So this is the living room. First we've got this sofa, that sofa, and this cute dog. Stop. We've got some pillows, a fireplace, well, it's a very fancy fireplace. I can actually get warmed up here. Actually, there's the wall. And then we got the TV, the fancy curtains, a painting, an artwork, this pretty chandelier, and we got this painting, these flowers, and the clock. Follow me over here. So we got a lamp, and then we got this stuff, and then we got a painting, and in this drawer, games and some other books. And follow me. This is our corridor. We got some more animals, a window, this chair that I haven't tried out. Okay, we're gonna go into this room first. It is the toilet, and it has this little label so you know that is the toilet. Oh, so we got some free soap, some glasses, a toilet, and the part that I'm happy with is that we got this open shower. This is very big. Should we go into the next room?
Yeah.
You can close that and that one. Next is the kitchen, leading to the back garden.
1 second, Edgar. There is a picture of the farm. Our cottage is this one here on the side. But yeah, so this is all the farm. The book said there is 160 cows or so.
And then we got a chandelier.
Very fancy.
Another chandelier.
Yeah, lots of shiny chandeliers.
Next we got the kitchen, which I think is probably my favourite. So we got the sinks, some doors, this, a welcome sign, upside down goose. We got these salt and pepper shakers, they're very cute. And then we got oven, some drawers, a floating one of those, toaster, some seats, and we got a fridge with some milk. There's the milk. It's fresh cow milk.
So the kitchen is quite old style, a barn kitchen. But yeah, everything is here, what you need. It's clean, so that's what matters. Let's follow Olivia.
Next room is this room that we won't really use that much at all. Just
the utility room, the boiler.
Yeah. So we got this heater too. And then next room we're going this one. So this one's my mum's and dad's room. And we got a TV with a red remote. And we got lots of drawers that don't really work. Towel, bed. I'm going to test if it's comfy, okay? Oh yeah, that's very comfy. And a lamp and some drawers, some bedside drawers. Okay, the last and final room, my favourite. But first, I'd show everyone the mirror. Not all. My bedroom.
Well, you share it with your sister, aren't you?
Yeah, but it's mine and very bouncy bed.
Nice.
Fluffy pillow.
Yeah.
Mr. Teddy Puff Puff, Mr. Monkey Man, staying with me. And then we got
ironing board, an iron.
And then up here, we got way more cabinets. I don't know what are in. And then we got a TV. A TV. This one looks big. then we got these towels too.
You had nice and fluffy towels, didn't you?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the views from here. So we're going to get better views from the window in the morning. We got here quite late, we were delayed.
Yeah.
So, but the place looks nice. We're going to see if there's some food available on the farm.
We need eggs.
Yeah, we need eggs, so we can do it.
Wait, we're going in the car. Should we go
No.
to next door? Or?
Yeah, there is a hatch that I saw on the way back, so let's go.
Straight. Straight, Lydia. Not that way. Straight. Oh, that box there.
Yep. Cattle breed.
I'll try these.
Actually, step in the middle, yeah? Put your foot in the middle.
I don't like them. I've been on those before.
What are cows doing? Right, watch out where you step in so that you don't step your couch. The local yum.
Really?
Where are we walking?
Yeah.
Right, let's see, we've got eggs.
Eggs.
How much are eggs?
It's on there. Eggs are £1.50 for 6.
Ooh, I like those.
And some
That's
Haribos
right.
for £1. £1.50.
What are those?
Is there eggs in there?
There's chocolate, there's chocolate, there's chocolate.
What do we need? Okay, we're gonna get eggs then.
Yeah, eggs. Just leave £1 here.
Ali, you wanna write?
Times 1 egg.
Oh look, homemade bracelets as well.
I want a homemade bracelet.
Oh, yeah.
That's cute.
Oh, we've got quite a lot of money there.
Yeah. So we've got money in. Let's go. Oh, there's some nice mountains.
Should I pick the eggs? No, I got it. I'm gonna go on this. I'm not a professional gymnastics. Hi, Daddy. We got eggs. 9 cows.
I think, no, those aren't the ones that I saw yesterday. I thought that there was like just going to be like a little wooden thing right there.
Mm-hmm.
So then the cows can just come up to the fence and we can like pet the cows.
I see.
That's what I thought it was going to be like.
So just taking some morning after pictures as this lighter. It's quite windy today, so don't think we're going to be doing any mountain walks. But the place has got as well like nice local things to do. This just started raining again. But yeah, this is where we got the eggs last night. And then it's just some old farm kind of tools that they have displayed out here. Really nice. And then behind there is a working farm.